Hi, so here is a quick look into my new website that shows places on campus that accept flex dollars. Um, so here is clicking into a random card, then we can search. So we can say this is not going to return. Oh, this is going to return based off of the substring matching the description, and then we can say cafe, and this now matches the title, and we can also match the location. Um, and then, yeah, so we can click into this. Oh, no matches. So we can say, yeah, no matches, and now we have a alert for that. And I think we already showed, like, cafe will have more than this. So now we can click into Cafe East, and now we have a listing page. Um, and here is the data. We can go back and try Blue Java, and this is a different listing page with the different data from the server. Um, Now we can press edit to enter the edit state, and as you can see, it's pre-populated with all the data. Um, we're going to press discard, and as you can see, this brings up a modal that asks you to confirm if you want to discard or not. Well, we're going to say no, cancel, and it's going to take that away. Then if we say yes, it brings us back here, and we can make a quick edit, say edited, and submit, and now the title has edited as shown, um, and it's visible. So now we can go to add data, add new thing in the nav bar, and first um, try to just submit it blank. And as you can see, it's going to have validation because these cannot be blank. Um, then we're going to correct these errors. So if I correct, oh, shouldn't be my name, but so these could be random strings. So this will actually work, and I'm just going to do it for the sake of time. This has to be a number, and let's say this. And then now that creates this thing to see it here. And we can click on this button, and that brings us to the new posting. Then we'll click on the home button in the nav bar, and we can see it, this thing uh, that we just created. Uh, Next, we're going to look at the inspect element tool and see that it has the alt text, alt equals to mud hall, which is the title. This image also has alt text, Columbia campus, uh, and similarly all of them do populated from the title. And I think those are the only images that I use. A little bit about how the code works. So um, it's structured in the typical model view controller thing as mentioned, and now we have the post endpoint for adding data. So now there is a post endpoint for edit, and if it's post, then we look at the post request and we update this array. Similarly for add, the same thing works. And a bunch of logic is done in each of the page to make this work. Next, about design, as you can see, there's the first conceptual group, which is like the nav bar, which has controls to like add, new, and search. This conceptual group is like a hero that describes what the website is for. Uh, and this conceptual group is like the listings of all of the eateries, right? And then in here, the conceptual group, this is like the rating, I guess, with the rating and the money sign. This is like a title group, the image, of course, and these are like metadata in its own group. The form is kind of straightforward. Um, there's the navigation part and the form and submission. Um, and yeah,